Hi, in this video, we're going to show you a nice little tool you could use to check the login information for users on your computer and also remote users. So it's a free tool called Win Logon View. You just download a zip file, extract it, and run the executable, so there's nothing to install. So just double click it. Then you can see here you have your various columns: login ID, username, domain, computer name, login time, log off time, duration, network address, and login type. So this computer here has 3 users, 2 Microsoft, Todd and Cindy. Those are Microsoft accounts. Then the Steve is a local account. So for some reason, it'll only show the log off time for the local accounts, and I'm not sure why that is. And I'm not sure how it will work with domain users since I don't have a domain to test it on, but if you're in a domain environment, you might want to check that out. And then you have the addresses, so the loopback address here, the 127.0.0.1, that's when logging on locally to the computer itself. And then these other addresses here, these are for our remote desktop connections. And then you can see the type here, this has some cached credentials, and this is the local account logging in locally. And we have this remote interactive, unlock, and so on. Then if you go to the options here, you change the time, select another font, advanced options. If you want to do it from a different computer, you can export everything to reporter. So let's say we're going to just grab a bunch here. There you go. If you need to print these out, you got a little report there. You don't want to have all this information here. If you get rid of some of these columns, if you're not going to use them or rearrange them, then you could also drag them from the top here to rearrange them. And you got your find and copy and save. So let's say we saved this one here, save selected items. It will save it in the directory where the executable is by default, unless you change it. Let's just call this test. And this just gives you kind of a base information there. And then you could also pick copy, which will just copy to the clipboard. And then paste it like that. It might not be the best format for you. You put it in Excel, maybe something like that. Then you have your refresh, and so on. So like I said, it's a pretty basic program, but it kind of comes in handy if you want to see who's been logging on when to a specific computer. So I will put a link in the description where you can download it for yourself, and then you can see how you like it. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.